Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can create Wix coupons and automatic discount on Wix.com. For that, you will need to go to Wix.com, log in or sign up using a password or your Google account. And this is the dashboard or the home screen that is going to appear. Now, what you're going to do is go to the dashboard. Here you see there's so many options. You're simply going to go to your marketing. Here you see this is the option of marketing. Go there. Here you see the options of discount. You're going to click on discounts and coupons. Now you see this is my dashboard and it is going to show me if I already have created any coupons. You see there are the options of creating coupons manually, automations, loyalty programs, referral programs, Velo, and apps. So I'm going to create the coupons and they're going to be created manually. And you see I do not have any coupons that are activated or created. So I'm going to go click on new coupons. Here you see they're going to ask you that what is the type of coupon you want to offer. If you're looking for the discount in rupees or you're looking for a discount in percentage, free shipping, sale price, buy X and get Y free. These are different types of the coupon that you can use, different styles. Let's just go for the more simple one and we are going to go click on the discount percentage. Let's just say the name of my coupon code is summer sale. And I'm going to click on enter. This is 103. And this is the coupon name as well. Now you're going to tell them that how much discount is going to be available to the people who are using this design site or website. Let's just say 10% discount. This is the percentage they're going to see. Now you're going to click on apply to. This is very important that you need to choose that whether it applies to all the forms, there is any specific form, there are all the products, there is a specific product, there is a specific category, or minimal order subtotal. Let's just say it is on the specific form and here you're going to choose the type of the form that you're choosing. Let's just say the form is ABC, apply once per order to the lowest priced items or apply to each eligible item in the order. You can choose any of these options or both of them. No, you're going to choose any one of them. Now you're going to add the date of validity, that whether it is from this date to the end date. If you click on don't set an end date, then you don't need to enter the end date and yeah. Now you're going to choose limit uses. Limit the total number of uses for this coupon. Limit to 1 use per customer. You're going to select any one of these according to what is your preference and you can also skip this part. Let's just say limit to 1 use per customer and it is going to create a coupon for you. If there is a specific form, if you have a design site, you can click on this one. For now, since I do not have any, I'm going to click on all forms. And let's just say I click on create new coupon and here it is going to take a minute or less than a minute to create a coupon for you. You can now choose from a template. They're pre-filled with your content and ready for you to share. You can create an email campaign or you can also create a site with AI. You can go click on your design site. You can choose a template using AI or you can also pick a template that are already available on Wix.com and you can show that how your coupons are available. You see the 3 button options here. You can edit it anytime, you can duplicate it, you can promote it, you can also deactivate it. Let's just say you can delete it as well. If I click on deactivate, since it is active, now it is not active. But if you want to make it active again, you're going to click on active. Or if you want to delete it, you're simply going to click on delete and yes, delete, it is going to get deleted. This is how you're going to add your new coupon. You can simply edit it, you can duplicate or delete it. Now, the second thing that you're going to learn is how you can create the duplicate automations. For that, these are the automatic discounts that are available. My bad. Automatic discount. How are you going to create that? You see offer discounts that apply automatically without a coupon code. Okay, so you see I have 0 automatic discounts. I am going to create the new one. Click on automatic discount. Select which discount you want to offer. You'll be able to customize the details or change the discount type later on. So you can choose the standard discount. You can also choose buy X and get Y. Let's just say I'm choosing the standard discount for now. You're going to click on continue. You're going to fill all the details. Let's just fill these details. You're going to add the discount name. Let's just say it is summer sale 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the automatic discount that is going to appear. You're going to fill the details of the offer. That what does this discount apply to? It is whether for all the products, for specific products, for the specific categories. Let's just say it is for all the products. If we say that it is for the specific products, then we are going to name the products. I'm a product this, I'm a product that, or you can also choose specific category. Let's just say this is all the products that I have chosen. Now, are there any requirements for the automatic discounts and how the people can avail it? So, minimum quantity of items or a minimum order subtotal. You can choose any one of these, and then after that, if you click on this, what you need to do is add your rupees here. Here you're going to add minimal order subtotal. For instance, I say for 200 rupees. You can use it over here. What is the discount? Percentage off, amount off, or sale price? Let's just say percentage off. How much percentage? Let's say 10% discount. Now we're going to set the dates. We are going to set an end date and time. This is going to be the set end date or time. And these are the storefront display. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Now the state is going to be on, the state is going to be off. This is basically the offer that I have created. 10% off on all the products, orders over rupees 200. Now the people with the order to up rupees 200 would be able to avail this discount of 10% on all the products, valid from June 9 to blah blah. So this is how you're going to do it, and if you have created your automatic discount, you can also promote it by clicking in this option, and it is going to help you promote it. Now you're going to click on save, and it is going to save this for you. So this is how you're going to create your automatic discount and coupon codes on Wix.com. It is very easy, very simple. You can edit all the details, and you see I have not added the minimal order. Let's just say 1, and so you see this is very easy. All you have to do is go to your marketing and follow all the above given steps, and in this way you would be able to create it. Now you see this is my dashboard for automatic discount, and you see I have activated one. Same, you can also go to on or off it anytime. If you off it, it is going to be disabled and written on the status. Or you can go to 3 buttons. Here you can click on delete if you are looking forward to deleting it. And now you can create a new discount again. So this is how you're going to create a new coupon, or you can also create an automatic discount on Wix.com. I hope you guys understood how we're going to create a coupon or automatic discount. It was very easy. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.